So let me share my opinion about the Bitcoin. What will we see currently? If we start from the beginning, we are seeing the impulse, which begins from here. We had this correction, which came to the 0.3, 2.5 targets over here. And from here, we see some movements. So basically, a major question right now is that, is this impulse or this is the correction? And why I draw actually the higher range, middle range, and a lower range, because here I think that this movement from the beginning, what we saw, it is not looks like impulsive, and there's actually confirmations for that. And those confirmations I saw in the smaller time frame, if we try to break down all of this structure, which has happened from the ground, I didn't like the way it traded, because we definitely seeing that the prices increases and volumes decreases. There's a divergence, which is actually indicates that we are still in correction, right? So volumes are actually screaming that this is divergence and we can expect some kind of correction. And because I don't see the 5 impulsive wave structure here, there's no 5 impulsive wave structure, which is calling us that this is not some kind of wave 1 or after wave 2 and we can expect wave 3. So from technical perspective, I would say from leverage perspective, I don't see any kind of breakout right now. If I look at the fundamental factors, then maybe, yes, because we have a seasonality and Bitcoin acts crazily and it can do everything, whatever it needs, right? But if you ask me what decision I would make here, I would better short this movement rather than open any long. So about the shorts, I'll talk about later. And before that is that my major idea that I don't like this movement over here. It is not looks like impulsive, but same time I consider that this is a crypto and this is the Bitcoin and everything can happen. If I will open the chart on the ETF, is the same thing, except only one thing. What I really liked here, I would say that from the bottom over here, we had a massive amount of volumes joined here, which is actually positive sign, and that positivity actually worked out because we retested and straightly have that reaction. So this reaction actually already price in of those volumes. I like it, but I don't like the beginning of this structure. It is not looks like impulsive one, right? Because volume step by step decreases, prices increases on the ETF chart also. This is usually where I check the volumes. Plus the structure 5 impulsive, we cannot see 5 impulsive ones, and basically that makes me put those, let me do that, put those lines, higher range, middle range, and lower range. So from trading perspective, I would rather treat it as a maybe wrong correction, flat correction maybe, which is consolidates here, maybe something such kind of. And because of that, right now I more consider some shorts and look at this price action exactly. So how I would like to open the shorts and what I want to see. First of all, I want to see the price reach this target with ugly structure. That happened. That's one of the condition. Another thing is the divergence between price and volumes. That's second thing. And plus I want to see on the MACD, this is the MACD, on the 5-4 hour time frames, I want to see the divergence. So when the price is making higher highs and MACD showing us divergence. Here, we definitely can see, if we look at this price action over here, we definitely see that the price is increases and the market showing us divergence. That's a good sign. Plus what we can see, we are reaching the resistance. So this is the red one where I marked it over here. And look at this. This is for me is important also. Here you can see that columns here, when the columns are trading above the trend line, that's the actually bullish one. But when the trend line start to reverse and columns start to trade below the trend line, that's already the bearish one. So here, what we see, we already currently seeing some kind of weakness of this impulse, of all of this impulse from here. We can see that the flow is changed definitely. Here, look at this. This is divergence, which continues already pretty long time. And locally, we can see that the trend line also crosses, and we are seeing actually great confirmations. So from a short perspective, I like this scenario. I would like to wait a little bit longer, like maybe it will go higher, and somewhere here I would like to open my short position if the conditions will continue. So this is what I think. I don't have I'm not in rush to open this position right now exactly, to put my stop loss somewhere here, because I still can expect that price can go a little bit higher and after do some reversal, right? So I would like to wait a little bit more, that let this price action happen first, because when there's some massive reversal on the higher time frame, usually takes longer time, and I think I will see more higher highs. Maybe I won't see, but still I want to make sure that I'm seeing on the chart what I want to see on the chart. So I'll let the market consolidate a little bit here the longer. And basically, yes, we are seeing enough confirmations here, enough conditions to open the shorts, right? So you can use that information however you want. This is not financial advice, everything made for educational purpose, and do your own research when it comes to the trading. That's also very important. So more, what can I say? I think nothing on a daily time frame. Also, there's nothing happening. Still same divergence. Price increases, volumes decreases also. So this all analysis makes me that, because I don't see confirmation of the impulse, that makes me treat this movement as a correction. So this is why I actually drew this higher range, lower range, and middle range. So how I usually trade: when the price enters in the higher range, here I would like to open the shorts. Middle range, I don't touch it. Usually middle range, I take the profits. So I usually, as it's touched the middle range, I start to close my first position. So if I shorted and I'm expecting lower prices, here I will mark it as a target 1. Here I will close a little bit more, and I will hold it towards lower range, small amount. So basically, this is how I would like to trade, to just make myself safe, right? I don't want to take the trade here and exactly close here. So I'm DCAing my entries, and this is what I'm going to do. So if I will enter the position, I don't know where I'm going to decide that, as the more confirmations, I want to let the market a little bit run, and only after that I will like to open the position. So this is why if I'm going to open any short position, any my position on the market, I'll share my Telegram channel, the link in the description below and in description, and I pinned the message there always, my Telegram group, because actually everything I share over here for free, and all my entries, exits, and everything I'm doing there. So same time, this is my hedge position, because I'm still running the longs, because I treat this movement as a correction. I don't know, will we break out straightly right now, or maybe we will correct or the lower range and after breakout. So on the long distance, I still open my long positions. My subscribers knows about that, so I'm not touching that long at all. Most of my profits I already took somewhere here. I think at all-time high also we took some profits. I don't actually remember, but I still run small amount of my longs for the breakout. But for now, exactly tomorrow is the Monday. I think tomorrow we will see exactly, will we actually break it, or we will see the correction. But the most important is the plan, for my opinion, and this is what I'm doing. If I see the opportunity to short the market with the small stop loss especially, right? And if there's a really great confirmations, which I basically see right now, why not? I would like to short, even I have the long positions. This is how it works. So breakout or fake out, we will find out really very soon. I hope it is the breakout. Of course, we all tired from higher time perspective, and I would like to bull market starts already. But whatever the market is telling us, this is what I'm doing right now and share my opinion. I hope this is really useful for each one of you. If you like my content, you can subscribe or leave a comment. Let me know what do you do on the market, what's your opinion, or if you have any question, I'm ready, always happy to answer each one of them. And don't forget to smash the likes, subscribe to channel, maybe share for your friends. It will be great. And join our Telegram channel. So see you in the next, and bye bye.